Hey you guys, Engineer Pack 5290 coming to you with another unboxing video. Another new addition has been made to the O-Gauge layout. It is the Norfolk Southern First Responders tank car by MTH. This recently came in and this is a shiny looking piece. So let's go ahead and open up the box. Yeah. And there it is. Oh, man, look at that pretty color. Look at that pretty detail too. Man, it just looks like the real deal. Just love it, love it, love it, love it. Even got the separately applied handrails on there too. And you even got the little lever right there where you can throw the couplers. Pretty cool. And you will be seeing this on the train before too long. I'll put this in revenue service and you will be seeing this in my future runs with the trains. So, but yeah. But that's the latest addition on the O-Gauge layout. I hope you guys enjoyed it and I look forward to seeing you on the future videos. Alright guys, thanks for watching and may God bless.